Fine, students. Can you see the screen? Shall we start? See, we have done the portions. Anya, I have uploaded the recording. Go through that. Okay. If you have any doubts, I'll teach. So we have done the portions. Shall we do few construction, students? Shall we revise few construction now? All of you will respond. Shall we start construction? The geometry box with you all. All of you have geometry box. Yes. Start construction. You all know how to draw angles, right? 30 degrees, 60, 75, 13. I'll do it. I'll do the 13. Okay. Look here. Whoever concentrated students, all the project questions are similar to the other question which we skipped. First question, same 90 degree. Second question, we need 75 degree. Third question, we need 60. We'll skip that. Try the fourth question now. What are the two angles in the fourth question? What are the two angles you have to construct? 60 and 75. Which base will you all take? I need a base where it has U and V. Which one do we take? UV, VW or UZ? Take UV. UV how many centimeters? 6 centimeters. Draw 60 degree at U and 75 degree at V. Will you all complete this now? Will you try it? Start doing it, students. Yeah, Delicia, you know how to construct, right? Graph. I think all of you all were there, students. All of you all were present when I thought, right? And one more thing, whatever construction you're doing it now, you have to send it to me. So don't just sit and watch. If you don't send, I won't let you all in tomorrow's meeting. Yes. Box. Okay, fine, Angel. Why? I told you, right? I'll be starting construction. Okay, fine. To do one thing. Anyway, just stay online. After 15-20 minutes, I'll be starting MCQ questions. If you're not doing, just stay online. Okay. Just go through what I teach. Is Ananya online? No, Ananya didn't join yet. Okay. Completed, students. Look, all of you draw a working column, working diagram. Sorry, rough diagram. So, fourth question. We are doing the fourth one. Fifth one, I'll skip. I have already made you all solve fifth one. We are doing the fourth one. Take 2 centimeters, students. All of you take 2 centimeters in protractor. Draw 60 and 75. This is 60 degree. Okay. 75 lies between which two angles? 75 lies between 90 and 60. So right hand side draw 90 and 60. Yeah, think this as your test and do it. Once you complete, send it to me. This is 60 degree. This is 120. In between you get 90. Red line is the 90 degree, students. 90. Then keep the protractor here. Yes. Look at the protractor where compass. Look at the compass where you place, students. From there, cut an arc. Yes, cut an arc and keep at 60 and cut. You'll get 75. Is Angel online? Yeah. So concentrate, Angel. Even if you're not doing, just concentrate what we are constructing. Okay, U, V, W. What's the value from V to W, students? What's the value from V to W? Let's take 5.3 after 75. On that 75 mark, take 5.3 and draw a line. Then use Z. Use Z. Okay, it is not UVWX, it is UVWZ. It is Z here. Fine. So don't take alphabetical order. UVW, UV. X and Y is missing. So they've given Z. UZ is 5 centimeters. Look at this. UZ is 5, UV is 5.3. So where this 75 is given, keep 5.3 students. Drop 5.3 here. And here it is 5 centimeters. Look at this 5. Then join this line. You should get a quadrilateral like this. All of you are completed? Done? Right, all the students, 5 centimeters, 5.3 here, 60 degrees, 75. 3 marks, 3 or 4. In which one? Begin. Okay, tell me those. Wait, after this we'll do. We are big quick students. We have to solve MCQ and revision questions as well. Done? Completed all of you? Done with this? Respond. Others completed? Kia, Tony, Anya, Aileen. You have to send it to me, students. You have to send it after the class. Okay. So fifth one, fourth is done. Up to 5, it's the same. Up to 5. Sixth question, quadrilateral. In a quadrilateral, when diagonal is given, it is not possible. It is not possible to construct. Whenever diagonal is given without angle, is angle given or diagonal given? Diagonal is given. Without angle, it's not possible. It is a normal quadrilateral. So take the diagonal as base, students. What is diagonal? Tell me. BD, right? Okay, let me take BD. BD is 6.4 centimeter. Which line connects from D? From D, which line you have? C, right? Respond all of you all. Can you all see C and D? Now what I'll do? Draw this one. Remaining will revise tomorrow. Remaining after this will start MCQ. Look. First let me draw the value. AB is equals to AD. Which is greater? 5.3 or 5? Which is greater? Yes, respond all of you all. Which is greater? 5.3 or 5? 5.3 is great. So take the diagonal 6.4. Diagonal BD. If not, let us check without drawing the diagonal. AB is equals to AD 5.3. Okay, let us take the normal line 5.3 students. Let me draw the rough diagram. This is the sixth question which we are solving, AB. Yes, and Abigail, you told ma'am didn't take diagonal as base, right? Okay, I'll do it directly, students. What is AB value? Tell me how much is AB? 5.3. After AB, what will you all get, students? Draw the rough diagram. ABCD, right? What is BC value? BC is equals to 5. And CD is equals to, how much is CD? 5. What is AD value? Look at AD. All of you will respond. What is AD value? Yes, unmute the call, students. What is AD? 5.3. And what's the diagonal given? Diagonal BD is how much? Point. This is 6.4. Any angles given? Any angle measurement given? No. Diagonal is very important. We'll start with base AB, students. We'll start with base AB. Now you all have to tell me the values. I will start construction. What is base AB value? Okay, I've taken 5.3. After this, when angle is not given, start with diagonal. It is always important to start with diagonal. What is diagonal value given? B to D, what's the value? 6.4. All of you will do it along with me. Take 6.4 in scale. In protractor, look at this. Stop writing. Look here. 6.4. From where should I draw 6.4? From A or B? From B. Look here. From B, 6.4. Cut an arc, students. Cut an arc like this. Next. From A, what is the line touching D? From A, what is the line touching D? 5.3. Take 5. First complete it till here. Take 5.3 and cut an arc. Cut an arc, you'll get it here. Complete till here and let me know, students. The red one is the diagonal. Next. You'll get a triangle like this. ABD. First complete this. All of you completed till here? Done? Now from D to C, what's the distance, students? From D to C, what's the distance? What's the distance? D to C? 5. And from B to C? 5. Yeah, take 5 centimeters, cut an arc from B to C. Don't draw using scale. Use compass, students. Take 5 centimeters. Yeah, from B, use 5 centimeters. Look at this. Look at the screen. Cut an arc. Then from D, cut an arc. Delicia, did you understand? Anya, Delicia, Angel. Is Angel online? Okay, completed, students. Look, this is the line you have to consider. See. Draw the arc small. Here it is not possible. What about Kia? Is Kia online? Yes, completed, students. A, B, C, and the values are 5.3. Abigail, this is how ma'am did without taking the diagonal as base. Okay, completed, students. 5, 5. When angles are not given, diagonal will be given. Draw the diagonal, 5.3. Shall we try the next one? All of you will complete it. Got the same figure? Response, students. Okay. So which one was that? Sixth one. Seventh one I've done. Check the project. Okay. Even in seventh one, your diagonal name is mentioned. Diagonal. In seventh one also there is a diagonal given. You draw the rough diagram, you'll understand. Okay. Look at the seventh one. Which is greater, students? 5.7 or 4.5? Which is greater? Let me take 5 point. I'll just show you can try it later. 5.7 xy is equals to 5.7. Next. XY, just draw a random diagram like this. Random. Y. After Y we have Z. X, Y, Z, and here it is T. From X to T, what is the distance from X to T, students? X to T is 5. What about Z, Y, Z? What's the value for Y, Z? 5.7. And there is one reading wrong, right? Which reading is wrong? Which reading is wrong here? Tell me, your ma'am corrected, right? Instead of ZT, what is it? Is it TZ? This is 4.6, students. Now, can you see this given? XZ is given. What is XZ? If I connect x to z, what is this we call? What is this xz? Side or diagonal? Diagonal. Okay, this is xz is diagonal, students. So draw 5.7 centimeter. After once you draw, immediately draw the diagonal. So whenever diagonal is given, always go with triangle. You have to consider this triangle first, green one. Take 5.7 centimeter. From x take 5.5, correct to z. From y take 4.5, cross. You'll get z. Okay, and from z take 4.6, draw an arc. From x take 5, draw an arc. You'll get pink one, this pink. Connect the line, you'll get the next triangle. Try seventh one for homework. Remaining we'll do it tomorrow. Okay, remaining we'll solve it tomorrow. Fine, Abigail, indices, did ma'am mark chapters? Questions? Okay, all of you will complete this. For homework, all of you understood how to draw this seventh one? Response, students. Whatever was given for project, it is important. They might give it for unit test or final exam. Okay, we're up to 8:45 or 8:50. 8:45 will conduct. Okay, take break. We'll continue at 8:25. Abigail, have you marked it? Mark the question. Yes. You can. Can you send me a pic? Yeah, send a pic. After break, we'll continue, students. Response, students. Yes. Abigail, can you send me the MCQ question? Are you there online? 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, any one of your students, MCQ on for exponents. Can you send me an MCQ question? Yes, respond. Any one of you all, can you send me MCQ? Okay, got it. And Abigail, what is this? You have marked everything wrong. Those are not there, right? Got it. Island also sent. All of you are online. Can you see the screen, students? Shall we start? Exponents. See, exponents MCQ I'll start. But these questions, all of you will mark this third question. Can you see first main, third one, fourth one? You'll know how to solve that. We have already done that, right? Respond all of you. First main, third one, and which one? Third, fourth, and eighth one. Okay. Then can you see second main, second question? Second main, second. Mark that. Fourth main, first one. I've given that even for test students. We have solved a lot of time. Complete this. What else is marked, Abigail? That's it in second, fourth main, one. Okay, all this is cancelled. 6 and 7. The blue color which you have marked. Okay. Just go through, students. Exponents, you have done a lot of time. What about this one? We recently completed this question, right? 10th one. Mark 10th one, students. All of you mark 10th. First main 3, 4, 8. Second main second. Fourth main first. 10th one. Completed. I will mark it. Be quick. And next, practice this. For revision, you don't have to practice all. Just practice what ma'am has marked. What about 16th? Did I complete these two? Everything I've done right. Mark 6th main, second and fourth. Second and fourth next. 17th main, third one, students. Look at 17th main, third one. Go through the 17th main, third one. So whoever has notes, you'll get all the answers. I didn't skip anything. I've completed everything. 17th main, third one. All of you will mark 17th main, third. Then 24th. Mark the 24th question. 24th. What about 33rd question? Did I do 33rd one? Response, students. Did I do the 33rd? Okay, if you want, I'll do the 33rd now. Then we'll start MCQ. Look at the 33rd question. Read the question. Tell me the question. 3 to the power of 9 into n, right? Divided by n plus 1. Okay, plus 1. Next. Look, I'm doing the 33rd because I don't remember whether I taught you or what. We'll do the 33rd. Into should be equal to what? 81. Yes, it should be equal to 81. Left hand side should be equal to right hand side. 3 to the power of n as it is. How do I convert 9? 3 square into, yeah, this divided by, can I write it like this? Respond 27. How do I write 27? N minus 1. 81, keep it as it is. Just keep 81 as it is. So whoever was absent didn't understand. We have done a lot of time, students. In spite of that, if you all missed class, didn't understand, we don't have time. Just skip this. Okay, skip this chapter and you can do it for final exam. Next, tell me the next one. I keep 3 to the power of n. How do I split this? When you open the bracket, be quick, respond all of you all. 3, 2n. Instead of plus 2, what should I write if I split it? Okay, let me write plus. Okay, okay, let me write. Let me write it step by step. Did you understand this? After this, 3 to the power of 2n multiplied by 3. 3 to the power of n for multiplication. For minus it is division. Into 3 to the power of 3n divided by what is common in the numerator? 3n. No, not 3n, students. What is n into 3n? If you add these two, what you get according to product rule? 3n. Into what is 3 square? 9. Divided by, look at these two. 1 minute. Where is it? What did I miss? 3n. Okay, which one gets cancelled, students? How is it wrong? Is the question correct? 3n into 9 into n minus 1. Okay. So we have written as 2n plus 2. Then divided by 3 to the power of 3n minus 1. 3n minus 3, 1. Into 3 cube. 3 cube is 3n minus divided by 3 cube. Okay, we get 3n. Then what is missing here? Just check the question one, students, which is not visible in the pic. Is this correct? We'll once again do quick. Is it plus or division? Plus. 3 to the power of n into, how do you convert this? 3 square into 2 to the power n plus 1, right? Divided by, Tell me, divided by 3 to the power of n minus 1. In 27, how do you convert 27? 3 cube. Okay, what we did was correct. 3 cube to the power of n minus 1. This division, can I write it below? Okay, what we did was right, students. Tell me the next step. What's the next step? Is equals to 81. Okay, is equals to 81. What do we need to find here? What they have asked? What they have asked? Solve for? They didn't ask us to prove left hand side is equals to right hand side, right? They didn't ask. They've asked just n value, students. They didn't ask us to prove. They've asked us to find the value of n. Now, when you open the bracket, what do you get? 2n plus 2. Be quick. Next, 3 to the power of 3n minus 3 is equals to 81. Tell me the next part. Tell me the next part. 3n into 3 to the power of 2n into 3 square divided by 3 into 3 to the power of 3 cube, right? Yes. When you add the like terms, what do you get? 3n into 3 square. How much is 3 square? 9. Divided by 3n divided by 3 into 3 to the power of 3n divided by, how much is 3 square? 3 cube, 27. In this, which one gets cancelled, students? Can you see 3n and 3n gets cancelled? Right? So what is left? 9 divided by 3n. Divided by 3 is given. Can I write divided by 3 like this? Then into, see, this into will remain as it is. Into, not into 27. Why into 27? Can you see? When 3 and 3 again gets cancelled, what is left? 1, right? Then divided by 27. Is it clear? All of you understood? 27. Next, what happens to this 3 and 27? It goes to the numerator. So what is left, students? Tell me what is left. 9 into 3 into divided by 3n. 3n into 1, you can write it as 3n. Complete it till here. I'll teach the next one. Write it till here. After this, it's a very easy step. I want you all to answer how to find 3 to the power of n. Be quick, students. Complete. Where is 3 to the power of n? Left hand side or right hand side? Left hand side on the denominator. Where are the numbers? Where are the numbers? Numerator. Right hand side number is given or variable is given? Number. Shall we rearrange? Convert all the numbers one side, variables to the other side. What happens to 3n if it goes to the other side? Tell me. Multiply. So can I write 3n and bring 81 down? Is it clear? Just cancel it. Cancel it, students. What do you get when you cancel? 9 ones are 9 nines are 9 ones are 9 threes are. What is left? 9. Where is n? Numerator or denominator? I mean power or base? What should I convert here? I should make the base equal. Remember I told you all when is equal to sign is given. 3n is equals to n is equal. So take that 81 students till the last. You don't solve it. Bring that 81 till the last two steps. Then when you have everything number 9, 3, 27, all those are numbers. Shift 3n to the right hand side. Bring 81 to the other side. Practice this. Ma'am has marked it as important. You might get it for 3 marks. Definitely they'll give it for 3 marks. Yes, students completed. Done. Okay. Over. Another 5 minutes. We'll just solve 1 or 2 MCQ questions. Done. Shall I erase this? Practice it, students. Same concept. N is anything to the power of n is variable. Until you bring that variable separately, keep trying. Then evaluate it. Okay. First question. Look at the first one MCQ. This is how you get. 128 is given. MCQ are totally different. It is not like your regular questions. Look at this. 128 into. Look how difficult it is. 128 into 32 minus 4 by 3 is given, right? If it is minus, how do you convert the power? If it is minus, how do you convert? 1 by response, students. 4 by 3. Factorize 32. Be quick, all of you will factorize 32. What should we eliminate here? What do I need to eliminate? Numerator or denominator? What should I eliminate? 32. 2 into 16. Next 2 into 8. 2 4s are 2 2s are 2. Okay, the first one seemed to be tough, students. We'll do it tomorrow. Look at the second. Stop doing the first one. We'll try the second one. 3 to the power of a by 4. Is it minus 3 by 2? Respond all of you all. Is it minus 3 by 2? Minus 1 by 2. Look at, I'll tell you how to solve this. Just ignore the base first. Look at the powers. Multiply these two powers. Use power law and multiply. What is minus 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2? Minus into minus is plus. 3 ones are 3. 2 twos are 4. Right? What's the value for this square root, students? If I remove the square root, what will I get? Respond all of you. Another 5 minutes will end the class. If I remove the square root, I should write 1 by 2. If it is 3 to the power of a, then 1 by 3, right? Yeah. Now look at this. Inside, I write a to the power of 4 is already given. To the power of 1 by 3. The whole power. When you multiply the powers, what did we get? 3 by 4. Now keep a by 4 as it is. Multiply this again. Multiply all the powers together. Open the bracket. See, we'll do it in a single step. A to the power of 4 into 1 by 3 into 3 by 4. Which one gets cancelled? 4 and 4. What's the answer? Okay. What's the option? Which option? Option 1. Is this clear? Understood how to solve? Response, students. All the MCQ are tough. It is not like in regular sums. This is how you solve. Just quickly look at this. Tomorrow we'll complete. Only indices MCQ question, exponent MCQ questions are tough. The remaining exercise, it's fine. It is doable. All of you understood how to solve? Next, for example, let's take the fifth one. 3 to the power of x is equals to 3 to the power of minus x. If this is the equation, then what is the value they've asked? 1 to the power of 1.2 to the power of what? X. Respond all of you all. Yes. Okay. Now, according to this base rule, what did I tell students? If the base is same, you can cancel it out. X to the power of x is equals to minus 3x. We'll do one thing. 3x is equals to, if the power is negative, what should I write? Not 3, 1 by 3x, right? X remains the same. X remains the same. We need to find the value of x, students. X. No, we'll just keep it as it is. According to power rule, base is same. 3 and 3 gets cancelled. X is equals to minus x. Then, in place of x, if you put minus x, that is equals to 1 by 1.2x. What is this? In place of x, if you put 1, 3 is equals to 1 by 3. Minus 1. If you put minus 1, even that one. Did ma'am solve all these MCQ questions? Can you respond, students? No, ma'am didn't solve. Fine. Okay. Anyway, it's time up. We'll do two more. Everything seemed to be tough. 120 is also tough. Only the second one was fine. Third one is also tough. Decimal, they've given tough question. Okay, we'll complete it tomorrow. We'll try. Don't need to solve all the questions. Just basic and important questions. We'll do it. Okay, that's it for today.